everyone, so welcome to Free Movement Sewing. So today we're talking about naming your patterns, alright? So that's really important, so you actually know what to cut and stuff like that. So if you see over here, you have velvet, lining, lace and interfacing. Okay, so the reason why we actually boxed it up and write down, like for example times 2, times 1 or whatever it is because you actually want to know how many pieces you actually need to cut, especially if you have many pattern pieces like what we have over here. So over here we have a bodice and a bottom brief, but the main thing is that I want you to look at how there is fronts 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5, 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5 and yada yada, because the main thing is we want to make sure that you actually cut the right number of pieces of the fabrics that you're going to work with. Now this is especially important if you have many different pieces of pattern pieces, so you actually know what exactly goes where and which one is for which fabric and how many pieces of that fabric to actually cut. So if you can see here, there's this beautiful like black and gold lace. So this one is a Taiwanese lace, and then we also have the lining fabric, the stretch velvet, as well as the interfacing to cut. So you see why it's important to have front and back clearly labeled, the number of pieces, and as well as the fabrics. So if you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below, and see you very soon. Like and subscribe.